Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Martinis. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I ordered 2 martinis at the bar last night for my friends and me. Martinis refers to a type of cocktail typically made with gin or vodka, vermouth, and sometimes garnished with olives or a twist of lemon. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.